In this video, I'll break down my top 5 carpet cleaners, my experiences, and which carpet cleaners I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order starting with the 5th ranked carpet cleaner, and at the end of the video you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best carpet cleaner and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the carpet cleaners, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5 we have the Shark PX 201 StainStriker. The Shark PX 201 StainStriker excels in removing tough stains and odors with its dual-activated solution, which unleashes the power of Oxy for 20 times more stain-striking power. This portable cleaner is particularly effective on carpets, upholstery, and car interiors, making it versatile for various cleaning tasks. It features a strong suction capability rated at 450 watts, which helps in extracting deep-seated dirt and liquids, ensuring thorough cleanliness. The device is lightweight, under 9 pounds, and includes multiple tools like a crevice tool, bristle tool, and a pet tool, enhancing its utility and ease of use. Additionally, the StainStriker offers a convenient no-premix system for hassle-free operation. With a 12-foot cord and a 4.3-foot hose, it provides ample reach for larger areas. Overall, the Shark StainStriker stands out for its powerful cleaning performance and user-friendly design. At number 4, we have the Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe. The Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe excels in deep cleaning carpets with its patented spin scrub technology, featuring 360-degree counter-rotating brushes that effectively lift dirt from all angles. This carpet cleaner is equipped with a dual-eyed nozzle, ensuring consistent suction across the cleaning path for quicker drying times. The separate tanks for clean and dirty water simplify the filling and emptying process, enhancing the overall usability. Additionally, the heat force technology applies hot air directly to the carpet, speeding up the drying process significantly. Weighing less than 19 pounds, it is relatively easy to maneuver and transport. The machine also includes a range of useful attachments like an upholstery tool and a stair tool, making it versatile for cleaning various surfaces. The automatic detergent mixing feature provides the optimal blend of water and cleaning solution, ensuring efficient cleaning without the guesswork. Overall, the Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe offers robust cleaning capabilities and user-friendly features, making it a practical choice for maintaining carpet hygiene. At number 3, we have the BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL. The BISSELL TurboClean excels in removing tough pet stains and dander allergens from carpets and upholstery. This machine is equipped with a 4-row deep reach power brush and Pro Max Clean and Protect formula with Stain Protect technology, ensuring deep cleaning and effective removal of embedded dirt. It features a 10-inch cleaning path which provides wide coverage, saving time on larger areas. The 1-gallon clean tank capacity reduces the need for frequent refills, enhancing the cleaning process efficiency. Weighing less than 17 pounds, it is lightweight and maneuverable, making it easy to clean around the house and tackle hard-to-reach areas like stairs and baseboards with the included spraying crevice tool and 3-inch tough stain tool. Additionally, every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, contributing to the welfare of homeless pets. At number 2, we have the Hoover SmartWash Plus. The Hoover SmartWash Plus stands out for its automatic cleaning technology, which simplifies the carpet cleaning process to a level comparable to vacuuming. This machine is designed with a triggerless system, where pushing forward activates the washing mode and pulling back initiates drying, eliminating the need for manual solution mixing or button pressing. The auto mix feature precisely dispenses the cleaning solution, ensuring optimal cleaning every time. Its Flex Force power brushes effectively remove deeply embedded dirt and debris, enhancing its performance on various carpet types. Additionally, the heat force technology expedites the drying process, making it highly efficient for regular use. The dual tank system, which separates clean and dirty water, simplifies filling and emptying tasks. Overall, the Hoover SmartWash Plus is a robust tool for maintaining clean carpets, combining ease of use with powerful cleaning capabilities. At number 1, we have the Shark EX201. The Shark EX201 Carpet Spurt excels in versatility and powerful cleaning. This model integrates a 2-in-1 system that combines deep carpet cleaning with a handheld spot and stain remover, making it highly effective for a variety of cleaning tasks. It features Shark's StainStriker technology and power spray, which enhance its ability to tackle tough stains and messes. The cleaner is equipped with a 0.95 quart bin capacity and a 10-inch cleaning path supported by a 20-foot cord, providing ample reach for larger rooms. Its design includes separate tanks for clean and dirty water, which simplifies the filling and emptying process. The machine's weight and built-in hose contribute to its ease of use, allowing for quick transitions between modes. Overall, the Shark X201 Carpet Expert stands out for its strong suction and efficient cleaning capabilities, making it a robust tool for maintaining clean carpets and upholstery. So that sums up my top 5 carpet cleaners I hope you enjoyed. You can check out other top 5 videos on my channel by clicking below.